Bitcoin might hit a new all-time high within this next few weeks if this crazy uptrend continues to happen. We are literally just a couple $1,000s away from a 68, 69, even a $70,000 Bitcoin. And this crazy uptrend isn't that much of a surprise because I talked about it in my last YouTube video. I hope you saw it and you took advantage to make some mula mula. And as happy as I am that we're all making profits, we're all in the green, money, the truth is, the way Bitcoin went up, this parabolic, massive run towards the upside, it's not sustainable, like never, ever, ever sustainable. Bitcoin needs to breathe. It needs to exhale. It needs to have a retracement where prices go down a little bit before it can continue moving upwards. Because a lot of times when we have these massive spikes towards the upside without any downtrend, a lot of times you see some consolidation and then boom, prices suddenly drop, a massive drop towards the downside, and we don't really want that. But if we keep seeing all this buying pressure coming from the Bitcoin ETF like we have in the past few days, prices will continue to run higher and higher. And don't forget about all these other countries. Is there a chance that they could potentially start their own type of Bitcoin ETF, their own type of Ethereum ETF, which brings more buying pressure into Bitcoin, increasing the price out, which increases the volume, which increases the liquidity. And then if the Ethereum ETF also gets approved, that's literally around the corner. Right now, we're in a point of financial uncertainty because we've never had this before. We've never had a Bitcoin ETF. We've never had an Ethereum ETF if that goes through. But my main point is what we have to do is just take advantage of this opportunity. We need to milk everything the market is giving us right now. And the Bitcoin halving. We know what the Bitcoin halving has done to Bitcoin historically. Every time we have a Bitcoin halving, prices always runs out to a new all-time high. But if Bitcoin hits an all-time high before the Bitcoin halving, and then we have the Bitcoin halving, oh my goodness, you guys, there's just so much money on the table right now. Everyone's in the profit. I'm not complaining. And a lot of people think they've made so much money in crypto when they really haven't. Because let me explain, how many times have you had something where you're like, ooh, look, prices have gone up so much, I should sell right now, but you don't sell. And then price ends up going lower and lower and lower. And you're like, dang, I should have sold when prices were up. So it's the exact same thing with crypto. Right now, your crypto portfolio might be up, which is great, but that's paper money, meaning it's not real. You're not actually making profit until you actually sell and you collect that money. So my rule of thumb is it is always a good thing to take a little bit of profit because the market is so volatile. Just a few months ago, how low was Bitcoin? Bitcoin was in the $15,000 price range. And within a few months, we see it skyrocketing and it's close to new all-time high. And this is just crazy price movement. So that's why I always say it is very, very healthy and very, very good to take a little bit of profit out of the market because this volatility is insane and we don't know for 110% exactly what's going to happen next. If you're new to crypto and you're just thinking, Nike, please help me. I'm new. I need that crypto profit. Help me. Okay, so check the description below. I have a bunch of free stuff, free resources to help you just get started in crypto, especially if you're new, to answer some of your questions. And if you've gotten this far in the video, you're either two of one thing. Number one, you're someone who has subscribed or someone who needs to subscribe. Or number two, you're a hater. So go away. Only good vibes out here.